Hi, this is Unit Conversion Word Problem Example 6a. And in this problem we have an American car company has designed a new high fuel efficiency vehicle that's rated 55 miles per gallon. And I'm going to underline that. And then the company plans to export this car to Europe, and so they need to give this fuel efficiency in SI units. A real world problem. So they want us to give our answer in kilometers per liter. So right there is our two formulas. This is what we need to start with, and this is what we need to end with. So I'm going to write this one down, and an important thing to know in all these word problems is per means divide. You may remember that from math, and if you don't remember that from math, then it's a good thing to just make a little note of. Per always means divide. So this 55 miles per gallon means 55 miles per 1 gallon of gas. Right there, that's giving us our initial starting conversion. So then I have to say, well, I need to go from miles to kilometers. So there's my first conversion I need to make. Well, we're going to go with our fancy one. Miles is going to go on bottom so that it cancels with this miles here, and I want to go to kilometers. So I'm going to put kilometers on top, and I'm going to look at my formula sheet here. Kilometers is 0.621 miles. So there's my fancy one right there. 1 kilometer is 0.621 miles. So now I have kilometers. I needed kilometers there, but I also need liters. I need to go from gallons to liters. Now here's something that you may not be as familiar with is the gallons is on the bottom, so I need to put the gallons on the top. We haven't dealt with one on the bottom before, but this is how you do it. If it's on the bottom, I have to put it on the top so that those two will cancel. And gallons to liters, I want to go to liters here, so gallons cancels. So now I'm going to look at my conversion again. 1 liter is 0.264 gallons right there. So there's my fancy one. 1 gallon, 0.264 gallons is 1 liter. And let me check my units. On top, miles canceled, gallons canceled, leaving me with kilometers over liters. Is that what I wanted? Yes, kilometers per hour, kilometers per liter. That's what I wanted. So now I just need to use my calculator. Clear out all this other stuff. And I'm going to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom, just like we did before. 55 times 0.264. On top, that gives me 14.52. Then multiplying straight across the bottom, I just have 0.621. And we recall from before that this big bar here means divide, so I'm going to do 14.52 divided by 0.621. And we get an answer of 23 point. Now, how many significant figures do I need in my final answer? Well, I started with 2 significant figures in my 55, so my final answer just needs 2. This 3 does not make that 3 go up, so my final answer is 23 kilometers per liter. And there's my final answer.